Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks, and I would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this Parrot Bay coconut rum. It is 90 proof, and I'm going to mix it with the Calypso Triple Melon Lemonade. A few days ago, I tried it with Rum Haven coconut rum, and it was outstanding. What you'll need is an ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay coconut rum, and then top it off with your triple melon lemonade made by Calypso. Give that a quick stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Terry Davis. Terry passed away on July 29th, 2024 at the age of 74. He served in the Air Force and he called New Mexico home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my God, this is so good. You get a little bit more of the kick from the coconut rum because it is 90 proof. It enhances the melon flavors in the lemonade. It is by far the best drink I've ever had here at my house. Terry? It is fantastic. I highly recommend if you can find the triple melon lemonade and the Parrot Bay coconut rum 90 proof. It is amazing. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis and would like to receive help, call Stop Soldier Suicide at 844-317-1136. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in a comment below. If you would like for me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, share them. Please help me spread the message of mental health awareness. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you and have a great day. Terry? Outstanding.